So here in Moodle, we're going to have a look at the quickest way to enter grades for a single assignment on one page. So we're going to jump into my course here, and we're looking at this assignment, Rugby Analysis Essay. We're going to click on that assignment. Now, if you are grading in Moodle, then we can click Grade, and we can move through each student and add our grade, add our feedback comments. But if you have graded things offline in a text document, as we have here, then sometimes we'll want to enter that or copy and paste it for every single student individually. But doing that all on one page can make this a lot quicker rather than navigating through every page of the assignment. So we're going to have a look at how to do that. So we'll come back to our course and we're going to go into the grades option. And then in here, we're going to come up to the top left where it says Grader Report. We're going to go to Single View. Then in Single View, we are going to make sure we're on grade items rather than user. And then we're going to turn edit mode on. So when we turn edit mode on, initially, this is all grayed out because Moodle thinks we're going to grade this within the grade item. So moving through each assignment manually. We're going to select actions here and we're going to override all. And that will open up the option to edit each of these grades on this one page. So now if we just move our screen to the left, we can have our grades up. I set this up so I've got all my students in the correct order. So I can simply come across to the right here, double click, copy and paste in the grade. And then I'm going to triple click. So 1, 2, 3 clicks. And then I can paste in the feedback. And so I can just move through each student and quickly copy the feedback for each student and their grade. So as you're doing this, if you do have a lot of students to enter, then it may be worthwhile coming down and hitting save before you've entered them all. So at this moment, I'm going to hit save. You can see my grades are entered. They will show up in the grader report as those grades. So they'll be highlighted yellow. So that kind of indicates that it is a grade that's been modified or overridden. And then we can come back into single view again, jump back into our assignment. We'll need to override all again, and then we can keep moving through each of those students. So that is the quick and easy way to get all the students listed on one page for an assignment, so you can move your grading, mark and comments to Moodle in a quick and easy way. If you do have any questions, then please do get in touch.